General Motors, the titan of the American automotive industry, a name synonymous with innovation. But is the electric revolution leaving this giant in the dust? For decades, General Motors was the undisputed king of the road. Its assembly lines churned out iconic vehicles that defined American culture. But the automotive world is changing at a breakneck pace, and GM finds itself in a high-stakes race to redefine its legacy. The electric vehicle era has arrived, and it's a battlefield where the old guard is facing a formidable challenge. GM, with its deep pockets and engineering prowess, was expected to lead the charge. However, the road to electrification has been fraught with potholes. The company's ambitious goal of producing 1 million EVs annually by 2025 seems a distant dream. Despite record-breaking sales figures for its Ultium-based EVs, GM is struggling to keep up with demand and outpace rivals like Tesla and Ford. So what's holding GM back? Is it supply chain issues, battery shortages, or something more fundamental? Experts point to a combination of factors. The pressure is immense on CEO Mary Barra. Her promises of a fully electric future have been met with skepticism. Can she deliver on the hype? One criticism leveled at GM is its focus on luxury EVs, like the Silverado EV and Hummer EV. While these vehicles are impressive, they cater to a niche market and don't address the mass market appeal necessary for widespread adoption. The shift to electrification is also challenging GM's core identity. The company has a long history of building gas-guzzling behemoths. Transitioning to a zero-emissions fleet requires a radical transformation of its engineering, manufacturing, and marketing strategies. In a bid to catch up, GM is exploring new battery technologies and partnerships. Licensing CATL battery technology for the Chevy Bolt EV is a step in the right direction, but it remains to be seen if this will be enough to close the gap. The road ahead for General Motors is undoubtedly challenging, but this is a company with a rich history of overcoming adversity. With the right strategy, investments, and leadership, GM can still emerge as a major player in the electric vehicle market. The future of transportation is electric. The question is, will GM be driving it, or will it be left in the rearview mirror?